Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce to you my little precious. This is Anise. She's my daughter and she's 8 years old. And she's been dancing on the shores of Long Beach now for 6 years. Since she was 2 years old here at Alfredo's Beach Club. So everybody give it up for Anise. Precious P. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we always save the best for last. This is my sister Malati. And she's the director and choreographer of An Island Dancing Adventure. And the one responsible for all of these vahinis and their costuming and also all their beautiful dances that she had them come out and learn. But this is Sister Malati. Give it up. All right, now, folks, it's your turn. Our dancers are going to go out to the audience and pick a few brave volunteers. So you can't get up and run to the bathroom or be shy, because when you're at the luau and you are asked to dance, you would need to come up and dance. Papaya, coconut, guava. 2 guavas. 2 guavas and oh yeah. All right, there we go. Okay, now let's put it all together. Just take it around the island, shake it a little bit. Okay, turn on that smoothie maker. There you go. It's getting smoothie over here.
Make it to the frappe.
Smoothie, smoothie, smoothie. Pineapple, papaya, coconut, 2 guavas. Oh, not bad, huh? All right, now put those all together, folks. And we're just going to make a big old fruit salad. So shake it and don't break it.
Uh-oh, watch out. Looking good, you guys. Come on, guys.
Okay, folks, turn around, show everybody your good side.
Ruly,
turn it around. Shake it real fast. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, go a little bit lower now, a little bit lower now. All right, folks, give it up for all of our brave volunteers.
Give it up for Lizette.